Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your coupons in the Trendyol app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trendyol app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our articles, we have some recommendations, and we can select from here what we want to purchase. But from this menu, we have to go and tap on the little person icon in the bottom right corner, where in the overview section, we find the My Coupons little button. If you tap on this, then we can find the coupons that we have obtained, maybe with some, I don't know, sometimes the app just gives away coupons, or maybe one of your friends bought you a coupon and then you have one here. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.